Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I have no other than a Sephora and somewhat of an Ulta haul. There's like a few things from Ulta, but mostly Sephora in this Sephora bag. I was in Sephora like almost a week ago, and I had a whole like list of things that I wanted because I had a coupon that was like 15% off. So I was like, oh my god, like I wanted to get so many different things. So I have a handful of the stuff. I didn't get everything that I wanted because like I went to 2 different stores and only one of them had like the majority of what I really wanted, so I wasn't able to get everything, but I did spend a pretty penny. So I'm super excited to share with you the products that I got. I have really been enjoying a lot of them. I have most of them on my face right now, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this good old bag of goodies. I'm just gonna pull from the top. So this I literally just purchased today because my sister's visiting and she doesn't have like an extra mask, so I was like, we need to get more masks, like whatever. So I picked these up from Ulta. These are from the brand KITSCH, Kitsch, and I have spoke about these before on my channel. I purchased them about a few months ago. They just have super cute designs, and they're like neutral, and these are very like fall vibes since we are going into fall. So I figured I would pick up more masks. Like in this day and age, like we need masks obviously every single day, so you might as well. It's like the new like accessory, so picked some more up because these are like my favorite masks. They're super stylish, super comfortable, and love those. So up next is from Sephora. This is from the brand The Inkey List, and I literally don't know why I got this. I got this today, and like it was just kind of like a whim. I was like, ooh, all right, let me pick this up. This is the collagen booster. I picked this up because it says, I think it's, oh yeah, it says a natural skin protein that helps support skin's firmness, suppleness, and elasticity. So I'm all about staying looking young, so I picked this up. If you guys don't know, the Inkey List is it's kind of like, I don't want to say the sister brand, but it's kind of like, it is kind of like the sister kind of brand to The Ordinary. Super affordable, great ingredients, pretty much like almost the same exact thing as The Ordinary. So if you are looking for some stuff from The Ordinary but it's sold out, check out the Inkey List. Everybody talks about them. So yeah, I picked this up. I don't know why I can't get the box open. Oh, there we go. All right, let me show you guys what it looks like. I think their packaging is super cute. I love that it's like just black and white. Super cute. Love it. Can't wait to try this tonight. Really excited for it. Up next is the foundation that I have on my face right now. I did just get back from the mall, so I was wearing a mask all day, so my makeup isn't like perfect, so I have had this on since the morning. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I actually filmed a video on it this morning, and it wound up being the wrong shade, so I went to the mall and got the correct shade. I picked mine up in the shade Light 4 Duvel, I don't even know, but this is what the box looks like, and I feel like this foundation has been like all over YouTube. I feel like everybody's talking about it, so I had to pick it up and test it out. The packaging is just so, number one, NARS is just so sleek and like sophisticated and like so like grown-up-y. Like I love that. I haven't had a NARS foundation in like 3 years. The last one was like their Radiant one, which I liked, but I had like a love-hate relationship with it. So yeah, I picked this up. So then up next is the lip that I'm currently wearing, which you guys, if you guys know me, you know that I don't do anything other than nudes, but this I had to pick up. This is from Rare Beauty. This is her Lip Souffle Cream Matte Lipstick in the shade Transform. This is like that famous red that she's wearing in like all of her promo pics, Selena Gomez. So I picked it up because I really liked, I did do a video on her, on the new Rare Beauty line. I will link it down below for you guys in case you guys want to see. And my favorite thing from that was the lippy that I tried. I got mine in the shade, I think it was Inspire. That was the color that I got, and I loved the formula. I thought it was amazing, and I had to just pick up this red one because this is just like so beautiful, and doesn't look like, I don't know, I just think it looks literally beautiful, and I'm so happy that I picked it up because I just put it on for the first time before I filmed this video, before I sat down to film, and I'm into it, I'm into it, I'm into it. So up next is the highlight that I have going on my face right now. This is from, well, this is technically from Primark, but you can get this at Ulta in case you don't have a Primark near you, if that makes sense. This is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter. So you guys know, are you okay? Okay, my sister just walked in, so I was making sure she was okay. This is the like blush highlighter duo. You guys know, if you don't know, but I feel like Wet n Wild, their highlighters have been like all the rage. And just like, I feel like drugstore highlighters, Wet n Wild takes like what is it, the trophy, takes the cake, whatever you want to call it, right? Take the cake? Yeah. Wet n Wild takes the cake when it comes to highlighters. I just feel like they're so good, and from the drugstore, like, look at that. That's like not like an overly intense glow, but it's just like the perfect,
really good highlighter.
It's really pretty, right? It's like the perfect amount of just glow, and I love it. I saw this and I was like, let me pick it up. Who cares? I haven't picked up a Wet n Wild highlighter in like over a year, so that one is called After Sex Glow. Love that name, but yeah, so I picked that up. Up next is the concealer that I'm actually wearing on my under eyes right now. This is the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Wear Concealer. I've seen a couple of people like talk about this, and a lot of them really, really loved it, so I was like, I need to pick it up. It is the concealer that I have on right now, and I was pleasantly surprised with it. This is the packaging. Also love Makeup Forever's packaging. Super cute, super sleek, super sophisticated. And I mean, you guys tell me what you think of how my under eyes look. I think they look great. I honestly was a little shocked when I put it on and I wound up liking it. I really didn't think I would like it. I typically don't like their concealers, but this one, real good. Up next is the bronzer that I have on my face right now. I'm still like on the fence about it. I put it on this morning. I wore it yesterday actually, and I liked it, and then I put it on this morning and it kind of looks a little bit gray, but I think that has to do with the fact that the foundation in the NARS was like the wrong color for me, so I think that's why it looked a little off. But besides that, this is the overly expensive, ridiculously priced Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Bronzer. This is, first of all, this thing is huge. Like, it's like the size of my frigging head. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but I'm about to show you. This is the biggest frigging bronzer I've ever seen. It's bigger than the Marc Jacobs one, I think. First of all, Charlotte Tilbury's packaging, always so gorgeous. So let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's literally freaking like huge. It's ginormous. I think this bronzer will last you like the rest of your life. It's such a freaking like huge bronzer, and the packaging is super luxurious, so I do understand, I guess, why it's $55, but I still have to kind of like play around with it more and see what like I think of it. So up next is a eyeshadow palette. When I saw this eyeshadow palette on Instagram and on Sephora, I was like, I need that. I literally need that. So I picked it up like last week at Sephora. This is the Natasha Denona GLAM palette. Now, I have tried her shadows in the past, and every single time I always wound up returning them because I'm never that impressed, especially for the price. I'm always like really, you're gonna charge this much when I can go and get like an Anastasia palette or even like an e.l.f. palette? Like, I've never been that impressed, but there was just something about this palette that I needed it. This packaging, of course, is gorgeous, and then the colors, you guys. This has my name written all over it. I do love my warm shades, but at the same time, I'm such a more cool-toned, muted girl when it comes to shadows. It's just who I am. Ever since I've started using makeup, I've always really gravitated towards the more cooler tones. And I used this palette yesterday, and I think I'm going to keep this one. I think this one is a keeper, guys. I think we found a good one. This palette does retail for $65, so compared to her other palettes, it's not that bad, but I really am into this. I really liked how it looked, and I feel like it's the perfect like palette to transition into like fall and winter. I know fall is all about like the bronzy, like warm, super orangey tones, but me, I've never really like loved how those like colors looked on me 100%, so super happy that I picked this up and splurged on it. I wore it yesterday. I will try to insert a picture for you guys right here so you guys can see how it looked, but I was really obsessing over my eye makeup yesterday. I loved it. Up next is a lippy. This is from Makeup Forever as well. This is their Rouge Artist lipstick. I got mine in the shade 152 Sharp Nude. Hello, of course I did. I always go towards the nudes. When I first opened this is what the packaging looks like. When I first opened it, I was like, wait, did I pick up a mascara? Like by mistake, and then I realized, hello, no, this is just the packaging of the lipstick. I wore this yesterday. Yesterday I had a brunch, so I literally put all of this makeup to good use yesterday. I was like, I need to test this all out and see how it is, and so far so good. But this is the shade. It's a super, it's like a rosy, kind of like cool toned pink. Love it, love it, love it. I was really into it yesterday. I did get a few things from Makeup Forever, and I feel like I haven't used Makeup Forever in so long, at least like makeup that I really like. The one thing that I do love from them is their Matte Velvet Skin Powder, which I have spoken about before on my channel, but I feel like a lot of products I don't usually get from them. I don't know why, but yeah, I did pick up this, and I really like this color. Again, this is in the shade 152, Sharp Nude. So up next is a product that I saw Kathleen Lights talking about in her most recent Sephora haul, and I was like, hold on, I need to run to Sephora and get that because I literally like love that. So I ran and picked it up. This is from Briogeo. So if you guys don't know, they have, I don't even know how to explain it. So they have a shampoo and conditioner that's scented like banana, and I do actually own the shampoo and the conditioner. And I love, love, love the shampoo and the conditioner. And also I love the way that they smell. They smell just like so like tropical and just so like beautiful. I love it. So they came out with that same scent in a body cream. You guys, in a body cream. That is like, when I saw that, I was like, that's like the perfect after shower moisturizer. You want to smell nice and clean. Even though we are going into fall, I don't care. Literally, I will smell like bananas like year round, 365. I love summer smells. I just love them so, so much. And this smells so good. When I got this, me, my sister, and my friend Nicole were out to eat at Applebee's, and we were like going through all the stuff like while we were eating, and we pulled this out and we like all put it on our hands, and the waitress came over and was like, what's that smell? That smells like freaking amazing. We were like, girl, you gotta go to Sephora and get this because it smells so, so, so good. So you get 8 fluid ounces and it's only $20, so it is a little pricey, but for 8 fluid ounces, I feel like that's not really even that bad. So if you guys are a fan of the shampoo and conditioner and you love that smell, you need the body lotion. Check it out. Next is another product from Wet n Wild. This is their Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. I picked this up also at Primark, but you can get this from Ulta as well. I haven't tried it yet. It does look like it might be a little bit light, but I feel like going into the winter months, this might be like my perfect bronzer for every day. So I'm super excited to try it. I've been wanting to try these for a while. These aren't like anything that's new or anything, but I have been wanting to try them for a while, and I saw them in Primark and was like, let me pick one up, see what it's like, what's going on with it. Is it a vibe? Is it not a vibe? So picked that up. So up next, I picked this up. This is brand new from Drybar, and I saw this and I was so intrigued by it, so I had to pick it up. This is their new liquid glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant, and it lasts through 3 washes. That was the most intriguing part to me. Like, I could spray this in my hair and then not spray it again for 3 washes. That's crazy to me, no? So it says, heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistant, which is really why I got this, because sometimes my hair just gets so frizzy. And then it says, leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down, lasts through 3 washes, and protects from heat for up to 450 degrees. So that is awesome. Super excited to test this out. I love that it's not weightless. I love that it's gonna give my hair like that kind of like glossy finish, like super into that. I'm just really excited to test that out and see, is it worth it? Is it good? Is it not? So super excited for that. The last product that I picked up is another product from Makeup Forever. This is their Artist Color Pencil. So these are like their universal pencils that can be used in the waterline, on your lips. I used it as a lip liner. That was my sole purpose in purchasing it. This is in the shade Endless Cacao. Endless Cacao. I don't know why I said cacao. So it's like a gray toned, like purple, like brown. I just swatched it right here. I wore it yesterday with that other Makeup Forever lipstick, and you guys, I was obsessed. It gave me like that, like a 90s vibe, you know what I'm talking about, where it was like the outer portion was like dark and then the inner portion was like nude. It gave you like that pouty effect. Love, love, love that. Live for a lip like that. So I'm super excited, like super happy that I purchased this and that I purchased this, because together they looked freaking amazing. Alright, so here is my sister. So she also got a few things from Sephora and Ulta, and I figured why not like share that with you guys, because she purchased some stuff based on like some of the stuff that I had that she liked, and she just wanted to like get herself some stuff. So she got a good amount of stuff. So show them what you got.
First, I got the same bronzer as she did
from Wet n Wild.
From
we were
Wet,
like, yeah. What is it called?
Ticket to Brazil by Wet n Wild.
Yeah, so we both picked that up because we were like, we should definitely get this.
And then these two, the highlight and the little lip gloss, came as a set. So I got this in Sephora.
What is it? Oh, it's by
Fenty Beauty.
Yeah. What's the name of the thing? Oh, the name of the highlight is Sandcastle, and then
the name of the lip gloss is called Sweet Mouth.
Sweet Mouth? Oh, yeah. You have a sweet mouth. This is like gorgeous, right?
So pretty.
So freaking pretty. I need to like steal this from you. I love that.
Ulta, I got a small tart shaped tape.
Yeah, tart. I always want to say shark, but it's a tart shaped tape. Yeah.
This is what it looks like, and it's so cute. It's such a small little.
Yeah, it's literally so freaking cute.
Small, so cute.
I love it.
And I don't have the package for this, but I got the Rare Beauty. What is this?
Oh, it's called the Lip Souffle Matte Zip. I was gonna say matte zip. Matte Lip Souffle. And what color is it?
Courage.
So she got the same one that I got that I reviewed in the video because she was like, oh,
it's so pretty. I like it so
She
much.
literally got to New York and was like, oh, by the way, you know that Rare Beauty lip product that you used? Yeah, I want to get it. And I was like, okay, let's go get it.
And then I also got the Rare Beauty With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm.
What color is it?
In the color Honor?
Yeah, Honor. It's like just her clear one.
Yeah.
Super cute. Here, let me show them while you get your next one. You guys, this packaging is so cute. And then it's just like a standard, like clear, like lip balm. Yeah.
And then today at Sephora, I got Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows.
Yeah, she was like looking at them and she was like, they're so pretty. And I was like, yes.
I'll show you what it looks like.
Definitely need to pick it up.
What it looks like.
It's like super
so pretty.
Yeah, so pretty, so neutral. I love it's like perfect for you because you're like just you like simple, you don't like anything like too crazy.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, that's literally perfect.
Yeah. This, the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation, I used hers.
Yeah. When? Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday for the brunch.
She was like, oh, I need a foundation.
I needed a good foundation.
So I was like, here, try this. And then you kept calling it a concealer. Yeah. You're so funny. She was like, oh, that concealer. I was like, foundation? No. She loved it. Yeah. It like, it's such a good, it's such a good universal.
It really is.
Like, foundation. It's so perfect. And it literally made your skin.
Yeah, it looked like so good on my skin.
It looked perfect.
Loved it.
Yeah,
love
she literally looked beautiful. It gave her like the most flawless.
I couldn't stop bragging about it. That's how much I like it.
Yeah, she was like, oh my god, this morning she got out of the shower and goes, can we go to Sephora and get that Fenty Beauty foundation? And I was like, yeah. Like, and it's so perfect. Go ahead, sorry.
And then the last one I got was L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Because I needed a new one.
She needed a new one. And I was like, girl, you need this one. It's so good. So good. Guys, so that is the end of this video. That completes all of the stuff that we got. We have a ton. Like a ton of new makeup, seriously.
Like a lot.
But I really think that everything that we got, we both really love, right?
Yeah,
like
everything.
You love everything.
Yes,
I pretty much love everything. The only thing I'm on the fence about is the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, but that's fine. But yeah, everything else I pretty much love. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!